Tired of waiting days for bank transfers to clear? In this video, I'll show you how to use Crypto.com's ACH system for smooth deposits and withdrawals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. ACH, Automated Clearinghouse, is the backbone of USD transfers on Crypto.com, offering a balance between speed and cost-effectiveness. For deposits, first set up your USD fiat wallet through Transfer Deposit USD. Complete the verification to get your unique account and routing numbers. Use these details to initiate an ACH push from your bank's website or app. The transfer typically takes 3 to 5 business days to clear and appear in your Crypto.com account. For withdrawals, the process is reversed. Initiate from Crypto.com to your linked bank account. Withdrawals also take 3 to 5 business days to reach your bank. A crucial pro tip: plan your transfers around weekends and holidays, as ACH only processes on business days. For faster access to deposited funds, consider using wire transfers for larger amounts, though they may involve fees from your bank. And just like that, you've mastered the primary method for moving USD in and out of Crypto.com. ACH transfers make traditional banking and crypto work together seamlessly. Do you prefer ACH for its low fees or wish there were faster options? Let me know below. For real-world payments, subscribe for our next video on how to scan QR code to pay on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.